guys, welcome to another giant graphics tutorial. I'm so happy you're here. I'm sorry I've been away. I couldn't keep up making videos, but I'm making these on popular demand. Several persons have come to my DM like, please, how can I make a special Christmas wishes to my fans, to my friends, to my WhatsApp family and my, you know, in less than 3 minutes. And guess what? I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, it's very simple, it's ready made, it's automated. You just insert your logo or picture and we're all done. Yes, so what are we learning from tonight? We'll be learning how to make a season greeting video from renderforest.com. Okay, so I'll be going to my Chrome. Yes, my Chrome, and I will log into renderforest.com. No, see, renderforest.com is one of the easiest to use apps. Okay, so I'm sure I made a video on how to register on renderforest.com. So if you have not registered, please go through that video and learn how to register on renderforest.com. I'm just going to proceed. I believe most of you are registered, and if you're not, please check that video out. Okay, so I'm going to click on these two lines. I'm going to click on these two lines. Okay, and once you click it, you're going to see it's going to show my name, and I'm going to select create. Okay, all right, and I'm going to select videos. I'm not making website. Remember, on renderforest.com you can make videos, website, logo, mockups, and designs, a lot of things. Okay, so I'm going to click on videos, and it's going to ask me what kind of video do I want to make: animation, intro, slideshow, musical, visualization, presentation, video editing. So I'm going to just click animations. Okay, and there are several kind of animations you can make from renderforest.com. You can see now it has shown me a list of things to make, but to be faster, since I have something in mind, okay, I want to make a Christmas video. So I'm going to click on this search, and I'm going to type in Christmas wishes. Okay, let me just click Christmas. You see, it will bring several of them. Christmas. I'm going to wait for it to load. Oh my. Now you can see there are several of them. Okay, Christmas Eve poster, you can see. And guess what? It's actually going to even show you sample of what to expect in each of them. So if I love this first one, I can just click on it and click create now and fix in my picture. Okay, but I don't want that. I'm just going to check through. Okay, this one that actually shows this means it's a pro. It can only be gotten on the pro. Okay, if you click it, it will ask me to pay, so I just want to make something free. Okay, so let's check for more. You can see Christmas slideshow, slideshow. You can just keep checking, like there are 1,000,001 of them. Okay, glistening Christmas intro. Okay, I think there is one I posted on my Facebook or on my WhatsApp and Facebook and YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to just use that as sample. Let me scroll down. You just go ahead and I think I love this. I'm just going to click on it and click on, don't mind, this is not real. Then I'm going to click on create now. And once I click on create now, remember the video is made already. I just had to fix in my picture, or my business logo at the end of it to show that I am the one that made the video. Okay, look at it, your logo and Merry Christmas. So I'm going to click on your logo and I'm going to click on upload. So I'm going to select, I'm going to click on downloads. It's going to take me to my folder. So just check the folder where you have your logo, your picture. Okay, so let me look for one of my business logo. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with this. So it's processing the picture that I chose. Okay, now you can see I can actually increase or reduce it. Just play around it however you want it to be. Okay, I just want it to show only my logo, Giant Graphics Co. So, and I'm going to click on done once I'm through. Okay, I can leave this Merry Christmas, or I can decide to add my own text. Okay, click on cancel for this, please don't mind it. So let me add text. I'm going to write Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas and happy 2023, and I'm going to click OK. You can see saving changes automatically. Okay, so once you're done, you can choose how you want the video to look. Okay, there are just two of them. I think I prefer the gold to the blue, so I'll go with this. Then for the music, you can decide to add, there's a default music, so let me play to see what it is. So I think I'm okay with the default music. Remember how to get your video. I'm going to click on display and I'll render the video. Once it's ready, I'll download it to my, click on fast preview, and you wait for it to render to 100%. It's actually processing the video. Okay, so let's just wait. My video is in a queue and it will soon export the video. You can see it's exporting it. Once it's at 100%, then I'm good to go. So let's just wait for it. Remember, Giant Graphics Co is here for your video editing, advert video, artificial intelligence video making, and lots more. So if you love this video, remember to give us a thumbs up, and if there is something special you want us to make for you, please remember to drop that in the comment section. We love you so much. Okay, and guess what, we're having a 50% price slash on all our trainings. Yes, and you can enjoy this by simply dropping a message on the WhatsApp number that is showing on the screen now. Yes, just remember to drop YouTube 50%, and we're going to show you how to go about it. Okay, so the video is actually on a queue, and wow, my video is ready. Let's play to see what it is. Okay, alright, you can see the video is all set. Now to download the video, what do we do, which is the final stage? I'm still going to click on these two lines and I'm going to click on my name, not on create this time around. You can see it's now showing my project, videos, website logo. I'm going to click on video, and it's going to take me to all of the videos I've made. Okay, I've made several videos from renderforest.com because it's one of the easiest way to make sharp videos. You can see these are videos. You can make this number fun. Just remember the name of the video you want to make, type it and search it. You can see there are so many things you can do with Render Forest. Now, to download my video, I'm going to click on free preview. I'm going to click on this free preview, and it's going to give me options. Okay, it's going to give me the option of download, and that's what I'm going to click. Okay, and let's wait for it. My video is downloading, and boom, it's done. I can open to see what I have. You see my video is downloaded. Okay, so let's play it to see. Alright guys, so these are to make a simple season greeting video for your loved ones using the renderforest.com. Remember, you can choose any template you want. I love renderforest because all the templates are available. You just have to just put in your video, your picture or your logo, okay, and your text, and you're good to go. Then I know some of you don't like the renderforest watermark. Well, there's a way we can remove it. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I love you so much. Don't worry, I'm cooking something. It will soon be done. Okay, and I know it's going to be helpful to you. Thank you for coming back. I love you all. Mwah.